Hello. In this video, we'll go over this app that we created that is designed to extract data from PDF documents. Uh, it's custom built and it's very basic. Let's look at our PDF documents. We have some mock invoices that we created. They look like this. Um, it we use the template that we downloaded from Microsoft webpage, I believe, has fake address, fake names, fake amounts, and we'll try to extract these values from these documents. And this app should do that. Let's go ahead and try it out, and let's start it up. Here we go. This is what it looks like. As I mentioned, it's very basic. Uh, it only performs one task, that is getting the information from these documents. As you can see, it has three buttons. The first button we use to specify the directory where documents are saved. Second one, this is used to create text versions of each of these files. This is one way to do it. And third one is designed to review all the text files and extract the information that we need. And this also saves that output as another text file. Let's try it out now. So we select folder. Go ahead and look at February. So it's looking at this directory and convert to text. We should get text files here. Here's a success message. And here are our files. And this is what it looks like. As you can see, it just picks out all the values from the invoice without any of the formatting. And this one, what it does is opens each of these files and brings it over as a table. Uh, we use pandas data frames, and each of the invoice data is brought into a data frame, which enables us to pick out any value that we want. And once we picked out everything from each of these invoices, we create yet another data frame and save all the output into a final table. And that table is saved as another text file. And that's all. That's all that's happening here. Go ahead and save this. Here's a success message. Here's our output. As you can see, it's saved the output as a table. It has the dates, amounts, addresses, everything that we need. Let's go ahead and bring this over to Excel. And to import it to Excel, we'll use the Get Data tool, which used to be called Power Query. It's very powerful. It has a lot of capabilities. That's why instead of saving the output as an Excel, I prefer to save it as a tab separated file and bring it over to Excel via Get Data. And here's our output. And here we go. As you can see, in a matter of a few seconds, we were able to get all the information from all these invoices. As I mentioned, this is very, very custom. It only works with these documents. For any other kind of document, the code behind the app has to be modified. Um, and as I mentioned, the Power Query here, or Get Data, enables user, if necessary, to perform further edits. As you can see, the information from our text output came over here as is, and you can merge these values, extract, create new tables, new columns, perform math functions, do further edits, anything that a user may need. The advantage is that once you perform those tasks here, this get data memorize all the steps here, and it'll just keeps adding any new step here. And then the next time you import via this connection, it will perform all the tasks for you. You don't have to redo it again. It's very, very useful. I don't need to do any further editing here. So this is it. Uh, as you can see, some zip codes are missing leading zeros. This is why you may need to do further edits here or in further on the table here if necessary. Let's go ahead and do the same thing for our March invoices. And select folder. Well, let's go to March now. We have similar invoices only for March. There are more documents here. Convert to text, it does the same thing. And our output. And let's bring it over to Excel again. You can see it brought it as a separate tab. I think it's just importing the name of the file as a tab name, which is very convenient. So you can change the tab name output if you'd like, customize it. And we have the connections here. You can bring it all through via one connection or keep separate tabs if you like, whichever you prefer. Um, and this is it. This is what I wanted to review in this video. And in our following videos in the series, we'll go over creating this app from scratch. All right. Thank you for watching.